Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Helene, and you guys, in this video I'm going to show you this beautiful French crocodile blooming gel situation. Pastel spring nails. I don't even know how to call it, but I'm going to show you this in this video. So I've already got the old acrylic off, I've got the cuticles clean, and now I'm going to spray our nail prep. This is to get any oils or anything from the nail bed so it is clean and dry. It's going to dry. As you can see, I'm going to um, make sure it's dry before I apply my primer, because now we have a clean, dry, oil-free nail pad. And now I'm going to apply my primer. This is a acid-free primer, and it also makes sure that your nail beds are clean, and also helps with a better adhesion for your product to the natural nail. So when I'm done applying my primer on all the 10 nails, I'm coming back and I'm going for some extra protection and extra adhesion. I'm going to use my Super Bond on all the 10 nails. This works like a double-sided tape, so the acrylic sticks. You have just the best adhesion from the acrylic to the natural nail bed. So now I'm applying a thin layer of our clear acrylic, of our crystal clear acrylic. And I'm going to do that just on all the 10 nails. And you guys, I know that I didn't post last week. I'm so sorry, because I am so busy working on our launching, on our products, and on giving classes, and preparing all the classes. And I'm so busy. So I'm so sorry that I didn't give you guys attention last week. I'm so sorry. But here I am with a video, and this video is bomb. Oh, I'm saying it myself, but I just love this nail design. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you for your patience and waiting on me for this video. But I'm almost there with the products. I know you guys, I'm saying this a long time, but I really hope that for next month everything is done. Okay, so thank you so much for your patience and your support. I just love you guys so much that you're supporting me. I just love it. So you will not be disappointed on the new launching, you guys. You will not be disappointed. Okay, so now I'm applying this color acrylic that I've just mixed. I just mixed a lot of colors. I've mixed, I think, a cover pink, a little bit of white, a little bit of pink that I had. You guys, I just mixed a lot of colors, so I don't have a link for you guys for this product, but I just thought it was pretty, so I just mixed some colors and I come out with this one. I'm just going to apply it on all the 10 nails. So after the application, now I'm going to smooth down the surface of the nails and also to shape the nails with my medium crit bit, and I'm going to do that also on all the 10 nails. And you guys, I'm going to give classes, but I'm living in the Netherlands, so the classes are with max 2 students. So if you live in the Netherlands and you want to come and learn from me and take the classes, just contact me on Instagram. Um, so yeah, I will be giving some online classes, but not yet. But in the future, I'm going to give online classes. But for now, I'm only giving um, classes with 2 students, so I have enough um, attention for each student. And so yeah, if you are interested, just let me know. And yeah, for sure, I'm going to give you guys some online classes for sure, but not at the moment, because otherwise it will be too much for me, you guys, and I will be not posting on YouTube anymore because I just don't have any time. Those 24 hours are just not enough for me. Okay, guys, so this time you're not seeing the taper bit that I use usually at the cuticle area. This time I'm trying out something new. I'm trying the triangle cone, a ceramic nail bit, because I want to use this in my classes, and I thought maybe this one is easier because a ceramic drill bit, it's more precise in the cuticle areas. As a beginner, it's more precise, and you will not burn or cut your client easily with this bit because it's from ceramic, so it's not as sharp as the normal barrels that I use. So I have to say I like it. I just had to get used to it a little bit, but I love it because you don't get a lot of acrylic at the cuticle area, just to make the acrylic at the cuticle even and flush to the nail. But I love it. Yes, you guys, I love it. I love it. And if I'm going to or I mean when I'm going to get my favorite cuticle bits on my website, I'm also going to get this one into my nail kit. Okay, so now I'm going to use my hand file to perfect the shape. Okay, you guys, so I thought I was filming, but I wasn't, so I'm sorry for that. But I'm using a liner from the gel bottle, and I'm using our painting gels, our white painting gel, to create this hand painted French. You guys, I'm so sorry that you keep seeing my head in the camera at this part, because I was so focused to get the perfect French smile line that my head was all over the place. So I'm sorry that you will keep seeing my head. So I'm going to apply the white painting gel on the tip of the nails, and when I'm done doing this part, I'm going to cure it on my lamp for 60 seconds, and then I will come back and explain to you guys my next steps. you guys, don't forget to go and follow our new Instagram page. This is our product page where we'll give you all the updates on our nail products. Don't forget to go and follow us. Okay, you guys, so this is how the nails look after the painting gel and after I've cured it under my lamp, and I just love it like this. But we're going to do some designs. I'm going to use my blooming gel on the tip of the nail, and you guys, I will recommend you guys to only use it on the nail tip. So use a liner, don't do like I'm doing right here, because you will have to use a small brush later to clean where the gel has bloomed on nail bed, so you don't want that. And sorry for my hat once again. I have applied the blooming gel on all the nail tips, and I'm using a dotting tool and some gel polish to make like this crocodile nail pattern or design pattern. I don't know how to call it, you guys, but I'm just doing that on all the nails when the blooming gel is still wet. So you don't have to cure the blooming gel. Just go in with your gel polish into the wet blooming gel, and make sure you work fast, because this can run, this can get all over the place. I had to do a couple of times over because I didn't like it, because it bloomed too much. So I didn't like it. So yeah, I'm so sorry for my head, you guys. I really have to apologize. It's so annoying, but yeah, I still want to show you guys this part. So yeah, after I'm done with this step, as you can see, the green has leaked into the nail bed. So I'm going in with a brush to clean the nail pad, and I'm going to cure it under my lamp. I have applied my cuticle, my top coat. I've cured that once again under my lamp, and I've applied some cuticle oil. I don't know why I didn't film that, but yeah, look at this, you guys. Just look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. So nice for your spring season. Love it. You can do it with any color that you would like. You can also leave it like that. Just leave the white French. That will also be pretty. Love it, you guys. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for the patience. Thank you for supporting me. Don't forget to share this video with everybody, with your family and your friends. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you have liked this video. Don't forget to comment below what you think of this nail design, and also what you would like to see in my next videos. And I will see you. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn the notification bell on so you're the first one to know when I post the next time. And I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.